guys, today we're back with another video, and today this is part 3 of reacting to EAS alarms. So let's go! Ooh, stop! No. Their face. That's gonna be their face for this one. Why is there so calm? What if there's a tornado? What if there's an earthquake? They're gonna be dancing before they die. Mid. Christmas tree. I don't know how much parts we're gonna need, but we're gonna probably need like 5. Oh my gosh, you can only see part of his. You can only see part of his smile. You can't see his eyes. Gotta stop. You just ruined it, I think. Oh, fret. Sorry. Copy. He's happy. They're all happy. They're all happy. Okay. The volume's all the way up. Nice. I'm dead! Oh, sorry. Copy. But just slow it down. Bro. What the heck is this? Mayote? It's Mayote. Why is it called Mayote? Soon we're gonna end the video. That sounds like one of those digital ones. after 2 more, guys, we're gonna end the video. Alright, guys, we're gonna end the video.